right? Let's do this. So last week price action was actually not as expected. Okay. If we are actually trying to predict the market and not react to what the market is saying, right? Trust me, last week would have been bad for me in particular if I was trying to predict because okay, hold on, let me mark out last week's. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this was where last week started from right here, right here. Good. So this is like from the 4 hours time frame. So from the 4 hours, we had this fake break, these inducements right here. Okay, this was the inducement. So I was literally looking for this true break of structure. But then you see how power price kept on taking lows, kept on kept on taking the lows before this huge push up. Okay. I was actually predicting, okay, I was predicting to buy to go take out this high after price took out this low. But then as you can see, there was hardly any buy position here. And I think on was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Let's see. Yeah, on Wednesday, when that huge buy actually happened, I did not take a single buy because I missed the buy already. So I was basically looking for sales. I was looking for sales to come all the way to this EPA before I then look for buys. So I had like that Wednesday, right? I wasn't like too focused on the chart. Okay. So let's use another broker. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Let's use this broker right here. So Monday. Okay. This is Monday's price action. So let's see what Monday is saying. So we are actually going to back test. Okay. We are going
Okay.
to, yeah. But if we are going to back test the whole of last week, Monday to Friday, we are going to use like over 5 hours on this session. So we're going to do the back testing, will like cut it short. So let's good. So this is Monday's price action, Monday Asian session. We're using forex.com, but my Oanda is a little bit messy. So this is from the 4 hours time frame. From the 4 hours, basically we're seeing this right here. Fake BOS inducement. He wanted a true break of structure, right? But no mitigation of anything, right? We have no mitigation. We will only be looking at this level for mitigation, which is EPA from the 4 hours. But then if we go to the daily time frame now, because these days when I don't understand what price is saying, right? I just look at the daily time frame to get my direction. So on this day from daily time frame, price was reacting from here. This supply zone was where price was reacting from. This whole supply zone right here. This was a refined supply zone right here. Okay. So we wanted to see this, then maybe price coming to this, give us this and then this. Because this was the last external structure we had. So we wanted a fake break, inducement, and push up. Um, Sorry guys, give me like 10 seconds. I have a call on my phone. Let me just pick up very fast. It's
Okay. Don't
important.
worry, man.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, you guys are here, right? Let's proceed. I hope you guys can hear me too. Okay, so this was on daily time
Yeah,
frame.
we can. I can hear you.
Perfect, perfect. We had this daily perspective. Price was in this supply zone. We had another refined supply zone here. So hopefully we're looking for sales to go all the way into this EPA, right? To go all the way to this EPA. And on lower time frame, this could be a POI to watch. So this was what we had on daily time frame. Then we looked at 4 hours. What is 4 hours doing right here? 4 hours, we had a fake break of structure and inducement. No mitigation on this time frame because we wanted price to do this. Okay, we wanted price to do this. Go all the way to take out this true break of structure, mitigate this POI, then we get a drop all the way to the daily EPA before we look for buys. Okay, so this was what we are watching right here. Then going on the much lower time frame, the 1 hour time frame. Good. From the 1 hour time frame now, we had multiple structures. We had this right here. Okay, let me draw that again. We had this, a fake BOS, and inducement to the true breaker structure right here. So this is already a 1 hour MSU. Then looking at current price action, what are we seeing now? We had this, we had this right here. So price did this, came all the way down here, and now price is here. The only liquidity we are looking on this 1 hour time frame is this right here. This 1 hour SLQ. Okay, so this is only liquidity we are looking at. But from the 4 hours, we're looking at this at the true break of structure, right? So we are going to mark this out for a true break of structure, 1 hour SLQ right here. So this was what we are watching right here. Okay, now we go on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is actually Asia. So we're going to play out the whole of Asia until Frankfurt open before we look for trade opportunity. Good. So that's the end of Asia. So now we can actually start placing trade ahead of London, right? So now from the 15 minutes time frame, looking at 15 minutes time frame, this was still SLQ because this was the range high, this was the range low. And price broke out of the range high here, then broke out of the range low right here. So we had 15-minute SLQ here. So price can take out the SLQ, reverse, it can take out the 4-hour true break of structure, give us an MSU POI, and then we shoot. Okay. And if there's any level, any zone that you guys want to like take in trade, okay, just let me know. Okay. So let's share all of our ideas together. So now Frankfurt open, price took out Asian low. The price took out Asian low. Asian low is a liquidity, right? So we're going to look for a PUI price should react from that we can actually buy to target these liquidity levels here. So now I'll be marking this week because this is an unmitigated week that price is currently reacting to. Then we had another PUI right here, this week right here. But before that, we'll look at other time frames to see if the PUIs are like the same, okay? So we have this right here. I don't know. I actually prefer trading when POI gets mitigated. Okay. Sometimes for liquidity types, right? Price will not mitigate anything. Price only needs the fake POS and inducement, then gives an entry model. Okay. This is acceptable. This is fine. For the algo structure, right? We don't need mitigation sometimes. Okay. But I actually prefer to see mitigation so to like reduce my losses on the chart. So this is what we had right here. This is also a 5-minute week. This is also another week. So I'll be looking to buy from either this zone or this zone to target the Asian high and also 1 hour SLQ or 4 hour through break of structure on the 1 minute. So now I'll be looking for trade opportunity, right? From the 5 minute to 1 minute, I'll be looking for entry models because now from the 5 minute, this was structure points right here. So we're having multiple structure points right here on the 5-minute time frame. Then all we're seeing, we had this low to this high right here. Okay, so let's mark out structure points so we'll know if we had a price behavior at this point. So we had this, all of these are structure points, external structure point. At this point, price broke out. Hold on. Let's be certain. Okay, so now we had this range high right here to this range low as our structure point. Then at this point, we had another structure point here. So this was external structure right here. So price took out all of these highs, then came back into this POI. So all of these lows could be inducements right here. So I'll call this price behavior on 5 minutes, right? Into this POI. Then I'll go on 3 minutes time frame. I'll go on 3 minutes and see what 3 minutes is saying. 3-minute time frame, nothing interesting, still the same, almost the same price action as the 5-minute. The price came into this POI right here. Then we go on M1. Now from M1, we're going to know if we'll be taking the trade or not. Now on M1 time frame, we had multiple structure points. All of these are structure points on the M1 right here. So nothing, there's no reason to take a buy from here from the M1, okay? Because price only gave me 5 minutes TB. But on M1, no M1 price behavior, no M1 price delivery. So we'll wait to see an M1 price delivery or if we get a good CSP. Okay, Pascal said this network is shitty. No problem, bro. Good. So now on M1, we wait to see if we get anything interesting. Okay, we have a possible price delivery right here on M1. So I'll be taking a buy at this point, okay? But I'm still considering that we are yet to have London open, okay? London open should be around here. Good, this will be London open. Good, so let's see what price is going to do. Good, now we have price delivery right here. So it's either we wait for a CSP or wait for candle closure to take the buys from that zone. Okay, so now let's wait. We want to see a bullish CSP. Good, we have one plus the rejection CSP. So we take this one prior to London open. Okay, so take this 2.5 pip stop loss. Okay, this is fine. Let's not exaggerate the target yet until price starts going our way. So we have this right here. Then let's see what price is going to do. Okay, now let's mark out structure. This becomes external right here. So we had this, external, external right here. Okay, good. So nothing interesting still happening. Price only came to take out this SLQ now, right here. This becomes SLQ. Then let's see where this is going. Good. Now this ended up as a loss. And this right here was London Open. So what London Open did, it actually took out this low right here. Now,
Buck, I have a question.
yeah, bro.
Will you not take this sell based on 1 minute inducement and this internal price behavior?
Okay. I will not take this sell because you know the analysis we did, we started from a higher time frame, right? So we
Yes.
actually know where the liquidity is, right? We know where the liquidity is. So if we be trading this sell, it means we are only trading based off 1 minute price action, right? We're not considering all other time frames price action. You understand? It just be as if we are only trading the 1 minute and not considering other time frames. You
Okay,
understand? Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah. So we had this loss. I'm going to look at higher time frame now to see what price is doing. Let's look at the 5 minute now. Good. So from 5 minute time frame, nothing interesting, just this right here, and then this is what we have on the 5 minute time frame. So we're not seeing a reason to buy, but then we are seeing a possible sell on the 5 minute if price probably takes out this high maybe mitigate this week, and then we can get a drop maybe into this POI right here before we can look for our buy. Okay, so price took out Asian low, now looking for Asian high to get taken, or all of that time, all of them with the liquidities above. Then let's look at 15 minutes now. Now, from the 15-minute time frame, remember these two POIs were from 15 minutes and 5-minute time frame, right? And we are trading inside of an internal structure. Everything happening here is from 15 minutes and above, right? They are all internal structures. Unless when we go to 5 minutes, then we then see that most of the structures are external, right? Now, for cases where sometimes, right, I'll just open my chart and just stay on the 5 minute or 1 minute and just trade off the price action, just like what you said now, Nico. I'll just trade off that time frame's price action and not consider other higher time frame because I just want to like get in and out of the market. So now price is basically doing all of these internal structures, right? So this is actually a possible price delivery for the buys, right? Good. So, and good. Now, from a higher time frame perspective, now we miss something. Price is inside of a daily supply zone. This is a daily supply zone, which we are looking, right? Higher time frame, good. That's a daily supply zone, right? So we missed that point. So now we could be seeing this, and maybe a push down before price will take out this liquidity, then we get the drop. So this is another possibility that we missed, right? So now let's go back to lower time frame to see if we get an entry opportunity, to see if we get any trade opportunity. Because from the 5-minute now, we are having 5-minute structures this way, right here. So now we'll mark this as a possible sell zone. Remember, we are still looking at the bar, right? But we want mitigation of this POI right here. We want mitigation of that POI. So now we'll look and see if price will take this high for us to take ourselves, right? So that's what we'll be watching right now. Let's go back on M1 and we wait. Okay, price did not come into the POI. Yeah, this could be an M1 buy right here. This could be an M1 buy right here. Okay, this is just based on M1 structure. Okay, just based on M1 structure, like the sell Nico called out here. Okay, we know we are looking for buys to target all of those higher liquidities, right? So from the M1 time frame, price is giving us all of this structure point right here. Then we had this structure point right here. Structure point. Fake POS inducement, M1 MSU into this POI plus M1 SLQ right here that price took out. So this could be a possible buy to take this high before we get the continuation sell, just like we looked at just now. So let's see what price is going to do. Okay, price took us out. Now at this point, we have this inducement that got taken right here. So this is like the 5-minute inducements. Let's look at the 5-minute structure again. We had this, we had this, we had this. Good. Now price took out just 2 levels right here on the 5-minute. But on 15 minutes, it could be 1 level. Let's go back on 15 minutes. We had on 15 minutes, this is still internal, right? Everything is still internal. So I would not consider anything happening here on 15 minutes. So I'm going to sit this one out and wait to see if price is going to give us anything. So I'm just going to wait. We could get a possible sell from here. Good. Let's see. Price took out all of these highs right here. Good. So are you guys seeing anything interesting in this PA? Let's see from the 5 minutes.
Yes, I think I remember buying here last week. This week, I mean, I think I bought using M1's price behavior and TSP.
Okay. On this level,
Yes.
this week, yeah?
Yes, around there.
Can you like annotate to show us how you got in the buys?
Okay, let me use my notation too. Okay, so all right. I think it was something like this. This was my reason for buying. I bought from this CSP. But from where I was looking at price, I saw this as double inducement. This too as double inducement.
Okay, cool.
The PA here looks. I think it looks kind of different from Rwanda's PA.
Yeah, I think so. This is forex.com. Forex.com.
So I remember very well. I used the price behavior and M1 CSP to take the buy.
Yeah. So now we are actually looking at possible sells because this was a liquidity level, right? But then on the 5 minute, we had 2 levels of liquidity, right? From 15 minutes is all internal, right? And from the 15-minute time frame, what we are looking at, we had something like this, and then price is here to take out this low. So we could be seeing this before price could go back up to take out this high, right? So it's just like we are selling to a fake break of structure. So that's what's actually happening now. And from the 5 minutes, this was mitigation. This was the inducement high. Then this was mitigation of a zone, right? Then on M1 now, we had nothing of important happening here, except price just took out all of these external structure. Most of these are external structures right here. So what we're having on the M1, we have this weakless candle here. This could also be liquidity, right? Then hold on, good. We have these weekly candles here. So after price took out this high from the 5 minute, right? We could as well take this sell based on the rejection candle. Because one of my rule in my plan states that if I have a 5 minute idea, right, I can take 5 minute ILQ or a possible inducement high that's just got taken. You get that any of the liquidity high that got taken out. So now I can as well trade off 1 minute CSP. And for inducement that get taken or any liquidity that get taken from 5 minutes, the only CSP I'll be trusting right here would be the rejection CSP. And I think that's what's happening here. So I can as well take this to target the 15 minutes low that we had. Okay, so this would be maybe a partial level or so. So let's see if I'll be taking this cell right here. Okay, so I'll be taking this cell. Remember, we had a buy PY right here. Okay, so let's see. I'll be targeting this guy right here. Let's go lower. So let's see how this cell is going to go. At this point now, the price take out this low. Good, at this low, I'm going to partial out. At this low, I'm going to partial out. And now we're seeing that price, okay, price has not taken out this low, okay? So let's say we did not take any partial. We had our alert set here for price to take out this low. If price takes out this low, then we are going to take out partial and let the rest be runners. So from the M1, we still had M1 structures, M1 external structures right here. We're waiting for the low to get taken. Okay, low did not get taken. And is this going to go BE? Okay, so I think this should end up break even. This is break even without us taking any profit from this trade. It ended up break even, right? Now, cases like this, I'll then go higher. 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and see if there's any changes in price action. So price came back to take out this high. Now you see what happened here was actually a failure swing. Price failed to take out this low, and then it went to take out this high. Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
boss. Sorry, I
yeah,
just remembered the buy I spoke of. It was the next day. It's not because this is Monday's price action.
yeah, this is Monday's price action.
Yeah, so it's Tuesday, not Monday. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. We'll soon get to
Yeah.
Tuesday. Yeah, we'll get to Tuesday price action. Now, this was what price did. Price took out this high. Let me turn off the section boxes. Okay, good. Price took out this high right here. Failure swing. So now on M1, we're having multiple structure points. We've gone 5-minute time frame right here. Now from 5-minute time frame, the failure swing was actually clear. Price said to take out this low. Instead, it went to take out this high right here on M1. Then we had this wickless candle that could be liquidity plus this week as PUI on the 5 minutes. This is what we're having, right? Then is there any other thing that will make us want to take a sell after price took out this high? Yes, still focusing on the higher time frame, the 15-minute possible MSU, right? Then we'll go on M1 and wait to see what price is going to do. When price took out that high, nothing happening on M1 yet, and we push down with no entry opportunity on M1. Okay, so we missed the sells. Okay, now at this point we had M1 structure right here. All of these were M1 structure. All of these the M1 external structure, external. So at this point we had M1 external. So this is like M1 fade break of structure, M1 inducement. Then we could get maybe a mitigation here, or if price give us an M1 entry model or a good CSP, then we take the continuation sales on the M1. So that's what price is doing right here. Okay. So now at this point, do we have EPA at this point? Let's verify that. This was the last low right here. We did not get EPA. If we had this EPA now, we would have taken the sell, or if this would have been a rejection candle without, if this would have been a rejection candle, right, without an EPA, I would boldly take the sell right here. But we've got nothing yet. We've got nothing happening yet. No entry opportunity on the M1. So maybe price delivery happening, but nope, nothing happening.
What if we call this the mutated price delivery?
Okay, can you explain that again? Can you call that again?
The mutated price delivery, when price probably takes liquidity and gives the double leg. The one I made a video of last week Saturday, and this guy, I can't remember his name, Goose FX spoke about.
Okay, yeah, I remember. Oh, yes, I remember. Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually yet to use the concept or maybe test the concept.
Okay.
But this is it, right? This is what happened.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe this could be another entry right here. Yeah, this could be another good entry. That's a good one. So let's see. Price took out the true break of structure right here. Then we might be heading for M1 MSCPY for the continuation sales. That's what we might be heading out for. Then good, price took out this liquidity right here. This would be an SLQ that price took out at this point. So for this being an SLQ and have a rejection candle, I'll take this sell. If price mitigating this week, yes, price reacting to this week. So I'll take a sell at this point right here. What I do this is I just tend to like flow with the order flow. If price moving bearish or bullish, I don't try to like find reversal. Maybe when I try to find reversal and I get stopped out 1 or 2 times, then I'll like switch my bias ASAP. So we have this sell here and a possible sell here. Or sorry, not even this one right here. This will be another possible sell. So this is still doing London, and okay, let's see. Okay, this is going well. And now price came into this PY. I know this PY is not going to hold anymore. Okay, based on all of the things that price did, all of the whole choppy price action here, plus the higher time frame perspective. So this is not going to hold. But at this point, in order to be safe, I'll just move my stop loss to break even. And then where will I be targeting? Let's see. Okay, good. This low right here. this low. This low is actually the 15-minute structure, because from 15 minutes we had this. Then we're looking for a fake break of structure here, a possible inducement right here. Good. So this low could be our target for partial, and then we let runners run. So this is what we're having right here on the M1. Now let's see what is happening on the chart. On M1, we had this external structure. If price takes out this high, I'll look for a re-entry right here. Okay, price did not, and price broke out of this. So I'll switch to a higher time frame. I always switch from one time frame to the other so I don't get lost. Okay, so from 3 minutes, nothing interesting. 5-minute time frame, nothing still interesting. So I'll just sit back and wait for price to take out this low. Okay, at this point, I'll partial out. This is like a 5-hour trade, right? At this point, I'll partial out maybe 70-80% and let runners go, because now I'm anticipating a reversal. Okay, for cases where I'm anticipating a reversal, right? I partial quick. For cases where I know price is going to fall, price is going to go down, 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 I'll just allow price to do its thing. So now price took out this low right here. Then I'll look for a possible reaction. I'll look for a possible reaction. We have this. This was a demand zone price was reacting from. Price already reacted from there. So this low would be liquidity low right here. This from the 15-minute time frame, right? This liquidity low. Let's look at a higher time frame in order to be sure. Good. So this liquidity low this week right here could be used as a good POI, right? This week at the bottom, but then we have liquidity below that. So we'll not be taking this. We look at H1 time frame. From H1 time frame, we see all of this right here. No good POI from there unless we had this EPA from the H1. Okay, if we keep on going higher, we then look at the 4 hours. 4 hours, what's happening? 4 hours, what's happening? Good. We had this EPA, then this week will be what we'll be watching on the 4 hours time frame. So let's mark this down from the 4 hours time frame right here. Then we go back to our lower time frame now. Now we're looking for a reason to buy, right? But we want to see mitigation or any of our valid entry windows. So price took out this low. So now this trade can run whatever, can do whatever it is to do. So we just sit back on M1 and watch what price is going to do. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. Hold on. I don't know what level was this. Okay, yeah. So this was this liquidity low on 30 minutes and 50 minutes. So price then took out this liquidity low on 30 and 50-minute time frame. So we could possibly get a reversal now to go and get this high right here. This is going to be the 15-minute IDM now. It's going to be 15-minute IDM. So now we had IDM. We could look for a buy opportunity to take out the IDM before we look for sell opportunity. Then let's turn on our session boxes and see where Asian high is. Now, okay, Asian high is exactly at its 15-minute IDM. So we could be getting a possible, this high would actually get taken, okay? This from the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what's happening on H1. H1, this was 15-minute IDM still. Then we just go on M1. Price has taken out 15 minutes, 30 minutes liquidity level. That liquidity now, there's difference between the types of liquidity and a normal liquidity level. This liquidity that price took out, it was just a normal liquidity level. It was not IOQ. It was not SLQ. Okay, it was just a random liquidity level from nowhere. Let's say we have this structure point right here. We know this is fake BOS. This is inducement liquidity, right? This is inducement liquidity. Then if we had something like, yellow is not the right color. If we had something like this right here, we know this inducement, this is SLQ, right? But then what is this? What level is going to be this on this time frame? This, we can't call it ILQ. We can call it CLQ, we can call it SLQ. This is going to be a random external
liquidity.
liquidity. Exactly. So I think that was what price took out here. So as price took this out, we will look for entry opportunity for buyers, but then we'll make sure we make sure we switch from one time frame to the other to see a good entry opportunity. So we start from, not 15 minutes, we start from 5-minute time frame. What are we seeing? We only had this 5-minute rejection plus a 5-minute wick right here. We look at 3-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame, what are we seeing? Nothing interesting. We look at M1, still nothing interesting happening. So we just watch price action. Now on M1 time frame, price give us this structure, external structure on the M1. This was what price give us, right? 10-minute time frame too. This was just an engulfing after liquidity get taken out. Right here, this was only an engulfing. Then we only wait to see what price is going to do. On 5M, good, we had still this same. So we just sit back and wait on M1 to see what price is going to do on M1 time frame. So we keep playing. Now looking for either an M1 MSU or SLQ or any liquidity. If you guys spot an entry, right? If you guys spot an entry, you guys should let me know, okay?
No problem.
Okay, right here, we get an entry. At this point, on M1, we had this right here, and then we had this. So this could be our possible inducement into this POI, then we push higher, right? 3 minutes, is that the same thing we're seeing on 3 minutes? Yes. Yeah, that's the same thing we're seeing on 3 minutes. So let's wait. Okay, now it's actually important to mark out structure points, because if you mark out structure points, trust me, you're not going to miss out on a whole lot of entries. So this external structure, So price did this, this, this. Then hold on, I think I'm getting it all mixed up. We had this, then price did this push up, came down to this level, then broke out this high. Yeah, this was a break of structure. So this was another external high, right? External low, sorry. Now, price just took out a 1-minute SLQ right here. Price took out a 1-minute SLQ at this level, broke out this high, and then price came back down. So we could be taking a buy here. But price just took out a major liquidity. So we'll have to check the 3 minutes and 5 minutes to see if there's anything that will make us not take the buy, or if we want to continue selling, right? So let's just place the buy too, because I'll definitely be taking this buy. I'll be taking this. Let's see from 3 minutes. 3 minutes, we just had this. We just had this on 3-minute time frame right here. And on 3 minutes, this is internal, right? This is internal. So we're still waiting for a price behavior on 3-minute time frame. Well, I'll just risk it and take this trade and see where it's going to go. Did anybody take this trade on that day? Because I'm sure I did not take a buy here.
No, I did not. I didn't take a buy yet.
Okay, good. So let's see. Still looking at this low. If this low get taken, did this low get taken? Nope, it did not. So let's see. Other than that, right? External, 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 external structure right here. So maybe there's an entry at this point, but it's going to be too clustered. Every the price action there is too clustered. So on 3 minutes time frame, we had this push up, the push down here, the push up. So yes, this right here is supposed to be the main entry, because we had 3 minutes price delivery. Did you guys see the price delivery that happened there?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see it.
That was what happened. 3
Inclu-
minutes.
Including the CSP.
Yeah, we could enter on the 3 minutes CSP right there. But let's see M1 time frame. Yeah, maybe we enter off this time frame here. Now, okay, let the trade move. I wanted to say target, but price has not moved at all. So let's see. Multiple entries on the M1. Multiple entries on the M1. M1 do provide a lot of entries. But if you don't understand M1, trust me, you're going to get lost. So I'm break even on this trade. Our target
Yes,
is
I don't understand M1 all the time. That's why I barely even use the structures. I only use it to for re-entries when price is in a POI or so.
yes, yes, yes. That's one of the main reasons why I switch from M1 to 3M to 5M really fast so I don't get lost. That's one of the main reasons. So our target is actually that high and we're still looking for entry opportunities. And this to exactly break even. We've gone break even on the trade already. So let's just see. We're not looking for any re-entries. We just want to hold price to go take out the inducement, right? Because if we want to take re-entries right here, we're going to see a whole lot of buy, a whole lot of positions right there. So at this point, we switch to 5M and see if we can get a possible take profit level. But on 5M, we have this fake POS inducement EPA right here. So at this point, I would be skeptical. Maybe price is going to fall, right? So I'm going to like partial out. Assuming this level right here, or sorry, this first level, this level was the anticipated 15 minutes fake BS, right? Assuming this was the inducement, then this would not have bothered me because I know after inducement, price would want to go to the true break of structure. But because this was just a fake BS, price can decide to keep falling before going higher, right? So I'll be skeptical. I want to take out profit from this level right here. So let's see what price is going to do. And at this level right here, after the mitigation of EPA, if somebody just joined. Okay, I think it's Antonio. So after mitigation of the EPA, we had this week slightly above the weakless candle right there. So if price gets here, I will partial out from the buys and let owners run. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing. So let's see. Okay, at this point, I'll partial out this buy and hold the rest to see where price is going to go. Okay, then price actually inside of our 5-minute demand supply zone that we want to sell from. So on M1, we wait for a confirmation for sell. Now, this is me reacting to what the market is doing. I know I'm supposed to be buying, but price is giving me a sell signal, right?
Signal, yeah.
So if I wanted to go aggressive on this trade, on M1, price took out this weakless candle right here, it gave me an M1 CSP. So if I wanted to be very aggressive, I would have taken this sell for hedge, right? I'll be taking this sell for hedge, okay? So let's see if price will give another entry opportunity for the sell. And this is just M1 MSU
Yeah,
happening
it looks like there's an entry.
right here, right?
Yes.
M1 MSU. But now, let's see, okay? Engulfing, right? So let's wait for mitigation of engulfing to see if we'll be able to take the cells. And so that was not an entry. The entry was like not taking this entry because if we'd waited for mitigation of engulfing right here, we want to see either a candle closure or a rejection candle right there. Okay, so let's go to
Okay.
3-minute time frame. What is happening? Still nothing interesting happening. Still price reacting from this POI, right? 5 minutes. I really want to take a sell. But 5 minutes just give out everything already. Okay. So on 5 minutes, we had this. I'm sure on Monday I did not take much trade because this price action is actually boring. Okay.
Yeah,
So
very.
yeah, on 5 minutes, we had this. This is what we had on 5 minutes. And price took out like both levels before the reversal. So I'm not looking to take any trades right here. So let's see what price is going to do. I'm just going to stay on the 5 minutes and watch price action right now. And I will not be taking it away. This was New York Open right here. This vertical ray, this was New York Open. So nothing interesting happening. And this trade, nope, not BE yet. Not BE yet. But if you're using a widespread account, then that's BE. So this is BE. But we took out partial. So let's call this a win. Now in 5 minutes, what is price doing? Nothing still interesting. Just that price took out this other level before trying to fall, right? Then we know price has taken out this low, right? We are heading for this high. Plus, this high is also Asian high. This is a major liquidity. And price just took out this liquidity low. Price is going to take out the good. Price just took out this liquidity low. So if price failed to take out this low, this could be a possible failure swing because price took out the last SLQ. I don't know, is Antonio here? Okay, he just left. Price just took out the last SLQ. For failure swing, right? If we have this right here, we know price is supposed to go take out a true break of structure at this point. But if price failed to take this out, price is going to take out the low. And for failure swings, right? Price most of the times is going to leave a liquidity level, probably an SLQ, the last SLQ that price is going to take out. So if price takes out this last SLQ, give an entry opportunity, the sell is going to happen to take out this low. So if this high failed, price is going to take out this low. I think that's what I'm seeing here. This was the last SLQ, right? This was the last SLQ. So price might fail to take out this low and go take out this high instead. Right, so let's watch and see what price is going to do. This is from 5 minutes. Let's just see. Let's go to M1 now. Money price action was boring. Good. So price took this. I'm going to look for an entry opportunity on M1. Is anybody going to take a buy from here, or this is going to be an aggressive buy?
Personally, I don't think I'm going to take a buy.
Okay, cool.
I'm not sure, but can I see the 5 minutes? No, if I'll take a buy.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, yes. Okay. So can I see the 1 minute now?
1 minute.
Okay. I wouldn't have entered yet if I was to take any trade.
Okay, cool.
I don't think I would have entered yet.
So if price fail take out this low, this high might get taken. So let's see. Okay, this is just going to be entry based off EPA right here. But trust me, in order for you to take EPA trades like this, right? You need a whole lot of confidence for you to see EPA and rejection can do for you to just jump in. So if I'm taking this, right, this high is going to be the target. Where I would actually partial out, okay? Then I'll be holding the rest to go take out probably all of those highs, right? So let's see if this EPA is actually going to hold. And it did not hold. So that was 1L there. Let's see. Still on the M1, right? We had this EPA. Then this was inducement right here. That was inducement. So I would be taking this one after I take this sell. If I take this second sell and hit stop loss, right, I'll just sit back. So I'll be taking this one. Then I'll be looking at 3 minutes. And 3 minutes is giving me same MSU on 3 minutes. So I'll be taking this trade. You see the confluence aligns with the 3 minute structure. So I'll be taking this one right here. Yeah. So this high would be where I will be partially from and then let the rest to run. And this and that entry based on EPA.
I think that's another entry on M1, ILQ taken and CSP.
Yes, true. This logo taken out. So this and that entry. if you had this entry based on EVA, if we took this one, our stop loss will be protected. Yeah, so this would actually will still be in the trade. I think this should be Leeds London. I just want to see this high get taken out. Okay, this high did not get taken out right there. Okay, this high did not get taken out, and price already giving me. Let's see this structure point right here. Hold on, at this point, this was external, so we had external right here. So price already gave me a sign of reversal, which means this high might not get taken anymore. Price showing me sign of reversal because we are seeing fake BOS, inducement,
An inducement, double
double
inducement.
investigation. So I would want to take this sell, but I already missed this. So I want to take this sell as a possible hedge. Now this is basically how I hedge. Okay, how I hedge, but this I don't like hedging. Okay, I just don't feel like hedging. So this would be like a possible hedge. While in this buy BE, I'll hop on this sell based on candle closure right here. So let's take this down. This might not hit TP. So let's say we miss that sell right there. And another re-entry. I think this one will be the one I will be taking right here. Good. I'll be taking a sell at this point here. But let's see 3 minutes so we don't get lost. So on 3 minutes time frame, all of these are external, 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 external. So this is just 3 minutes EPA plus 3 minutes mitigation of the week. This was just 3 minutes EPA. Okay, just because I want to hedge, I'll be taking this trade. Because at this point, I don't know what the market is trying to do. Like I can't tell. Okay. Most times, whenever I'm certain about a market direction, is when price is heading through the true break of structure. So to say, if price did this, after price takes out an inducement, I'm most certain that price will come to take out this low. For cases like this, I'll only be selling. And other cases, if I have this right here, okay, this subjective structure, because I see all lows and highs as liquidity, so I will want this low to get taken. So at this case, I'll also be looking for sales until this low get taken. But now, what we are having now, presently, we have 15-minute structure this way. We are also targeting this high right here. But across 5 minutes and 3 minute time frame, we are having multiple structure points. So this scenario is only on the 15-minute time frame. We're not seeing anything of interest happening, right? And price coming from a daily supply zone. So I would want to hedge right now and probably target this low right here for my hedge position. So let's see. Now this trade is BE without me taking any profit. Whenever I'm hedging, right? This you guys should take note of this. Whenever I'm hedging and I have a buy, I have a sell. One of them hits BE without me taking profit, and this one moves well. I'm going to take out, or maybe this one hits a loss, right? I'm going to partial out from here to cover up for the loss here, or take out or partial out from here to add more profit in case this one ends up as a loss. But right now, I'm going to BE on this sell right here, okay? Because price can literally reverse from here. Why is price going to reverse from here? We have this POI right here. This is an MSU POI. Okay. This right here. Okay, no, this is not an MSU POI. Okay. Oh, good. Now see this, guys. On M1, we had this structure, fake BOS, inducement, true BOS. So this POI is an MSU POI right here. And this week was a weakless candle right here. This candle was the weakless candle, and price came into this POI. So at this point, I would want to buy from here. And trust me, I'll be taking this buy right now. I'll be taking this aggressive buy because MSU POI tend to be stronger on M1. I've noticed this like countless times. MSU POI tend to be stronger on M1. So I'll be taking this buy. Yeah, I'll be taking this buy for the sake of backtesting. Because trust me, on live market, it's been long since I hedged like this. Only when backtesting, that's when I'm going. Because I know there's nothing as risk. So I'll be taking this buy. Are you going to go? Ooh, and that ends up as a loss right here. Good. Now, this buy was aggressive, no 3-minute confluence or 5-minute confluence. So at this point, the MSCPY failed. Then we look at 3-minute time frame. 3 minutes, I'm not seeing anything of interest happening. 5 minutes, nothing of interest happening right here, unless this 5-minute rejection can do after this liquidity. So I'll not be taking any trade because what price is doing now, we had a failure swing right here, last SLQ, right? We had another failure swing here, last SLQ. You see that? Failure swing, and now we're having another failure swing here. Price is indecisive. We don't know what price is doing. So Monday's price action was that after this London during New York, Monday price action was not a good price action. So probably I would have partial from this sell and let the rest run. So let's see what price is going to do. Now, at this case, this would be like 6 p.m. UK time. So I will not be interested in trading maybe till the next day. So I'm just going to watch and see what price is going to do from here. Let's see what is price doing. Slow PA. Yeah, so I will not be doing anything right here. So we've partialed out from this sell already. So next day, imagine we did 1 hour, 1 hour for just a day's price action. So we're not going to do the whole of the week. Maybe I would drop a recording for others. But now let's look at Tuesday's price action. So right here, that's the end of the trading day. I will be looking at the charts. Then at this point, this is a new day. This was Tuesday, right? And Tuesday, Asian is going to leave us with its own liquidity, Asian high plus Asian low, right? We're going to mark that out, and then we come to our trading desk on Tuesday. We start our analysis over again from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to look for trade opportunity. So that's what we'll be doing. So now this is what we had for Asian. Good. This is what we had for Asian. And price already took out Asian high here. Then we had Asian low at this point right here. Now we start our analysis afresh. We'll go from 4 hours. Let's turn off the session box. Nico, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm watching.
So this day we had this, okay? On 4 hours, we had this, all these are structure point. So this 15 minutes IDM will be still the same as 4 hours IDM right here. Okay, so we were looking for buys. Remember, for that day, we were looking for buys to take out this high on 15 minutes time frame. Then we look at H1. H1, we're going to mark out possible structure point, right? So we have our external liquidity here. This is still 4H, H1, and 4H, H1, and 15 minutes. So price most likely going to take down this high before falling, right? Then possible structure points, this possible through break of structure right here. Then let's see, we had this high, then price did this, all of these are internal right here. So these two levels are going to be SLQs. So this is going to be the last SLQ right here. This is going to be another SLQ right here. So probably we should buy to target still this high because after this SLQ, we had IDM here. So price can easily take this out and then drop. So we go on 30 minutes. 30 minutes, what are we seeing? I think this did not happen, right? Hold on. Okay, this was Asian high, so we're looking for buys to target this liquidity level. So 30 minutes, nothing of interest happening. 15 minutes, we are still inside of our 15-minute range. So all these are our internal structure. Lots of confusing price action right here. So it's going to 5 minute time frame. 5 minutes, then we had external structures, external structures. So now what is price doing on 5 minutes? Price took out Asian high. Now we are likely going to see Asian look get taken out, but we have liquidity above. So price might save this liquidity for future transaction. Can save that liquidity for later. 5 minute structure, all of these were 5 minute structure right here. So we had fake BOS, inducement, price came into the last POI, true break of structure right here. So we get MSU POI, this POI, because this is going to be liquidity, SLQ. I'm going to mark this out. This is going to be SLQ. An internal structure yet to be taken out.
Sorry, boss. You said this would be SLQ.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
So can you...
no. That's not SLQ. That is not SLQ.
An inducement.
An inducement, yes. After the true break of structure. So this is going to be a valid MSU POI. Because after this low, all of these are structure points. So this is just going to be an inducement and not SLQ. Thanks for that, Pascal.
Okay, boss.
So we have this right here on 5 minutes, right? Then let's see 3 minutes and M1. So 3 minutes, we still have this same week. M1, we have this refinement right here. So well, let's wait for a buy into this zone.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Brock, please, can you go back to the 5 minutes? I think I'm confused now.
Okay.
Okay, yes, because I was thinking there was a break of structure here. I was thinking there was a break of structure here, but I realized it's double equal high.
Yeah.
And then you said this is not an SLQ.
Yes.
Because from what I'm seeing, I think price did something like this.
Yes.
Okay, so how is this not an SLQ since it's inside of the inside of the range that led to a true BOS?
Now look at this. It's inside of a range that led to a true BOS. But this was inducement, external structure.
Okay.
This was external structure, the anticipated true
Yes.
BOS. This was external fake break of structure. Perfect, Nicholas. Now, all these that Nicholas just marked, they are all external structures.
Okay.
You hear that? So if all of these are
Yeah.
external, yeah, if all of these are external structures, this MSU right here, this one, nice.
Okay.
This MSU would be invalidated if price took out this low right here.
Okay.
Because after this inducement, we had this week. That price we had
Yes.
before. We want to see price go to this true break of structure. Now, all of these that Nicholas marked earlier, all of these are all external structures. External structures.
Okay.
We are only focusing on the buy. We focus on, no, we are not trading this one right here, but we are focusing on this buy MSU that happened right here, all the way to the true break of structure, which means this is going to be external, this is going to be external. Now, this is going to be a recent fake break of structure. You know, we focus on recent liquidity level. So this is going to be a recent US, a recent inducement, the 5 minutes through break of structure, then MSU POI right here, which is going to be a valid demand zone. You get that?
Okay. I used to think that all this would be, let me get my annotation. I used to think that all this would be double inducement, and I used to see them as internal since a
No.
BOS has not happened.
No. Even if we have the double inducement, triple, multiple inducement, right? They are still counters. They are still counting as external structure.
Okay.
Yeah, they still count as external.
All right. So another question is I don't understand I don't understand this part being the MSU POI.
Okay.
This point here.
Alrighty. Now, after we had this fake BOS inducement through BOS right here, right? The POI that took out liquidity and that led to the true break of structure, right? A POI within this range is
Okay.
price can
MSUP, okay.
and reverse. But for us to have a
Okay.
valid MSU PUI, right, we want to see liquidity before that PUI. And the liquidity
Before
before
it,
the PUI,
okay.
the external liquidity, it could be internal liquidity. You get that now?
Okay.
This was external
Okay.
liquidity. If you don't want to mark this as our MSU PUI right here, now this whole range after the liquidity graph right here, everything here is probably going to be our MSU PUI because we don't know which one price will react from. So this will be MSU PUI, this will be MSU PUI, this will be MSU PUI, this EPA will be MSU PUI.
Okay.
All we
Okay.
need is to react to price. Okay. If you don't want to call this MSU PUI based on all of this external structure here, you
Okay.
can just call this the MSU, the inducement on the 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I
That
understand. I understand now.
all right.
So this was the place I took that buy on Tuesday. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. I saw this as liquidity. Then
Okay.
price tapped into this week here, but it didn't give me anything reasonable. But then price came down. This point here is also a M15 week. Then
Okay.
price gave a price behavior on M1 and the CSP. That was my major reason for taking the buy.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. I remember now. I remember the price.
Okay.
Let's see. 3 minutes basically same thing. M1 now. Good. Nice. So now M1, we had this PUI right here. Then we wait. Now we'll be taking a sell right now, a sell. But I don't like taking like little sells because I know price is going to buy. So what's the essence of taking a sell here and target this? This is going to be like 2R or 3R. So I might be taking this is a possible sell here, or maybe when price come back here, then we get this and then a possible shoot up. Ooh, and that was unexpected. And let's go back to the higher time frame. 5 minutes. Okay. Now price did not even bother coming back to take out this low, but we have this low right here. So we wait on 5 minutes to see if there's any entry opportunity. Now, when I see moves like this, right, I'm going to go back and see what is causing that sell, what is causing that move. Okay. Still on 15 minutes, this still internal, but on 5 minutes, this still external structure right here. We still have this on 5 minutes. So nothing of interest happening. Still on 5 minutes. On 1 minute, I will not be taking any sell now because taking a sell right here, you're trading off nothing. Price reacting off. Price reacting from nothing, and this was Asian high that got taken. So probably no reason for a sell here, unless you want to just stick to the 1 minute and you consider this, this, fake POS, inducement, price behavior, mitigation of engulfing, and then you sell. Still coming into this POI. Maybe we'll sell from here, but I will not be taking a sell here, even if the sell is valid. And the price took out the first 5 minute liquidity level right here. Now, I'll go back to the 5 minutes. Because for cases like this, we still have our POI line below here. And we have this POI too right here. So for cases like this, I will be really skeptical because the MSU POI is still a valid POI. This now becomes a normal liquidity level. Okay. It could be TLQ, but remember, I don't like really use TLQ these days. It could be TLQ, that price can do this. But because of this can just be a normal liquidity level for price to take out and react from this MSU POI. So basically, I will not be taking this buy right here. I will not be taking this buy, although this is a 5 minute IDM, but I will not be taking the buy. Good, and this is London open. Instead, right? Well, instead, I would want to take a sell instead at this point. This rejection can do, but the sell might not last for long, so I'll just sit that one out. Good. Right, came into the MSU POI, right? broke out of the MSU
But
PUI.
we can as well check the 15 minutes to see what it's doing.
Yeah, I'll check 15 minutes now. And on the 5 minutes, on the 1 minute, gave us a price behavior, broke this PUI, gave me rejection candle. I'll be taking this buy right here. This will be the first trade for Tuesday. Now we'll be looking at higher time frame. Good. Now I have 2.5 P stop loss, but it's not protected. Then I'll adjust. Then I'll go to 3 minute time frame. What is price doing now? Remember the MSU PUI we marked, right? We marked the MSU, multiple MSU
Yes.
PUI. Yeah, we marked multiple MSU PUI from 5 minutes. So we'll look at the 5 minutes and see where what price reacted from right now. Now we can see that price exactly EPA. Yeah. And if I want to be too precise, let's see this tiny wick was what price reacted from. If I want to be too precise, but now I'll not use this. So this was the EPA right here. So Pascal, I'll go to 15 minutes now. Let's see what price reacted from. Oh, I see. Price reacted from this week on 15 minutes after taking this liquidity. Oh, I see. Yeah. Did you take this buy?
Me?
Yeah, did you? Or it was this one you took?
Okay, no. It's this particular one you're in now. That's the one
Okay.
I took, not the previous one. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'll be taking this buy right here. And we had multiple liquidity levels. I think this was the IDM, yeah. And these two highs are SLQ. So this would be the IDM I will be watching. Right. So let's see how I'm going to do it. Okay. At this point, I'm break even on this trade already. Target will be like this, like 9R, because I want to see this and then it drop. Okay. Yeah, at this point, I would have taken out partial. Now, rise. Okay, this high, this was the last high right here. Now let's go to higher time frame. So price is doing. I think that was an SLQ level. It's 3 minutes, 5 minute time frame right here. Good. I think price took out from 15 minutes, actually gave out the move because price took out the 15 minutes high. Let's go to the 15 minutes to be sure. Come on. Okay, good. So good. We had this 15-minute time frame now. This was our structure on 15 minutes. This will be the 15-minute inducement we are watching. The price take it out. I don't think price did. Price did not take it out. That would be an equal high. I think on Oanda printed something different. Yeah, price did not take out this inducement. Instead, it took out the SLQs.
The
Price,
SLQs, yes.
yeah, price took out SLQ. Then let's see 5 minutes instead. What is price reacting to on 5 minute time frame? Okay, we had this week. But then taking itself from here would be a little bit scary because we might just get a possible push up to take out the inducement because price actually took out, even on this time frame, price took out the last SLQ and it's reacting from this week. So maybe I'll look for continuation buys from here. But we'll look at the 5 minutes and see what price is doing. So from M1, we're looking for a possible continuation, and for continuation, we want to see EPA on M1, right? So we had this right here. Let's move this. We had this on M1, and the price react from that EPA. Not yet, even though we had a fake BOS and inducement, no CFP here. Maybe we would have taken the candle closure, but we missed that. So let's see what is price doing. Price price is giving me price is giving me an SLQ here. If this was external, this would be SLQ plus mitigation of this week. Right here, what would you guys do at this point?
Okay. If we look at the 15 minutes, we'll find a price behavior and a CSP
For
going
buy,
up.
for sell?
Yeah, if you can go to the 15 minutes, let me explain, because I saw it in my back test after the day ended. Okay, so then this was the CSP here after I took out this level of liquidity.
Okay.
I don't know if it makes any sense.
Yeah, it does. It does. It actually does. So this is like an internal.
Not really. It's not really like an okay. Let me. Jeez, what am I doing? Let me draw it again. So looking at the 15 minutes, 15 minutes was something like this, but then it had SLQs all over, and this
Okay.
was ILQ, and then price did a lot of things and then gave a price delivery and took out all the SLQs here, and then gave a CSP, without taking out the ILQ.
Okay.
Yes.
I get you.
So I think the trade can be taken just after the CSP has formed.
Okay. So it's going to be this CSP. Which are the CSP? Sorry.
Yes, that particular one. Just
Okay.
the rejection CSP. Yes.
Okay. Entry, I'm going to see this is going to be a huge stop loss. It's going to be like 7 pips stop loss if you sell.
Yeah, it is. Even on M3 gave a price delivery after the CSP already formed.
Okay, we'll look at that now. So this is done. So this is 5-minute time frame now. 5 minutes. We had this right here, and then okay, this was EPA. We could be getting a buy, and this right here would be a possible delivery. Yeah, just like you said. Then 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, let's watch price in 3 minutes. Yeah, so we'll be taking a buy right here. A possible buy. Let's switch to M1. Yeah, so at candle closure, we could take a buy here. And then if this high gets taken, good, this high got taken right here. So that's the 3 minute and 5 minute delivery you spoke about.
Delivery, yes.
Yeah, so yeah, 3 minute delivery, 5 minute delivery right here. So after the delivery, we had the rejection candle, so we could take a sell, probably lowering our risk because we just had liquidity above this. Okay, now why we are taking this sell? Because we are actually reacting to price. Okay, we are not predicting. We are aware, yeah, we know that this size liquidity. So if price can do this, so that's why we are actually reducing our risk. If we are risking 0.5%, probably our risk like 0.2 or 0.3% on this sell right here. So let's see, this was SLQ grab. We're trading based on SLQ. I don't know where to target. Let's see. Okay. Multiple entries. And okay. Probably at this point we have gone break even.
Break even.
Yeah. So now, where is our target? You know, after the inducement, right? After this inducement high, we want to see a true break of structure. So let's say after the SLQ, let's see if price actually go take out that low there. And I think we also have Asian low. Good. We also have Asian low right here. So this another liquidity. This like another confluence right here. Asian low. This would be another confluence right here. So entries, right? External, 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 external. Oh, this is even okay. Yeah, cool. Exactly. This liquidity. So watch to see this. Watch and see if this high get taken. So we'll hop in the continuation cells. So this has liquidity, then let's see. Okay, the price take out the liquidity, this trend line liquidity here.
No, not yet.
Okay. I don't know.
I think you did.
It did, right? Okay. Nico, would you be taking this out here? I will do this
No,
kind
I will wait for this got taken out because I think that the price can takes out this, make an internal behavior, and then go to the downside. But now I'm predicting price. I want to react, so I will wait for the price go taking out this, and then I will wait for an entry.
of bro.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure, I can hear you, bro. I can hear you.
Yo, all right.
Yeah. So price to take this. For times like this is where I like switching from time frame to time frames. Then I'll go on 5 minutes. 5 minutes, this is our range high, range low, right? Still, we had this, hold on. We had this 5 minute delivery happening there. We had this. So everything now is inside of a 5 minute structure, right? A 5 minute delivery. So until price breaks out of either the low or the high before we get our external structure. So right here, everything is internal. Ooh, nice push. On M1, what is happening? Sorry, my internet is messing up right now. Okay. Yeah, since let's stick to 5 minutes and 3 minutes. So we're looking at everything's happening inside of a 5 minute structure, right? 5 minute external structure. So it's probably a delivery. So we don't know what price is doing yet. Good. So I think we missed one here. This would be like internal EPA, but man, I find it hard to use internal structures as EPA. Instead, I want to see the external structures get mitigated. External low get mitigated by external high get mitigated by external low. That's what I like seeing. So I'm not seeing any re-entry here. Unless, trust me, unless I want to be aggressive and I would have taken this one right here. Then let's see. Okay, price is heading to target. Target will be the Asian low. Our target will be the Asian low for these cells. And sorry, if our target is Asian low, this 13R, right? At 70% of the full profit, let's say around here, we'll align this structure point right here. So if price gets here, then we'll take out 80% partial at this level. Then we'll let the rest to run to wherever it wants to run. Maybe when it gets to time, when it gets to like the target, then we'll take another partial. So we have this happening here. If 1 minute is confusing, right? If you turn 1 minute, you hit multiple losses. It's advisable to keep switching. Now we have this that got taken out. But on M1, we are seeing multiple external structures. Because on M1, all these are going to be external structures. Then we just go to the time frame we are familiar with, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. So on 3 minute time frame, this is still external, right? So it's still internal. I said external, it's still internal. On 5 minute structure, we have this, still price behavior, this right here. But as long as it is internal, it's still price behavior. Then price took out this high. But we got possible liquidity high that price might react from right here. And then we have this POI and this POI to watch. But we know liquidity is above that POI right here. So let's wait. So should we mark out the POIs now? Let's just do that. We have this POI here. Then let's wait on the M1. because all of these are actually delivery. If this was external structure from 3 minutes or 5 minutes, then I would have taken this sell at this point right here. So nothing happening. What did price do? What is price doing? Nothing of interest happening on M1. Where did this react from? Probably, okay, I have this weakness candle here. That price almost took out. This weakness candle, that price almost took out. But now, let's wait for our PYs. Seems we got no mitigation of our POI. So let's go back to the 5 minute and see what the price actually react from. What did price react from? Nothing. Price didn't react from anything. I would have said this week right here. But that week is too tiny and price did not react from that week. So everything is still internal. So we're not taking any trade yet. So let's stay on the 5 minutes. Yeah, this is New York. Okay, this is interesting now. Still price behavior, right? Because now we see how price took out the liquidity, came back to take out this high, and we might get a reaction from any of this, or price can come higher to this before we take our trade right there. And if I was on chart and price came all the way to this level, close to my partial level, right? I would take partial here. I'll take out partial if I was on chart. But if I was not on chart, I would simply wait for my alerts. So we had New York open here, New York Confluence, price would actually fall from here because I'm not seeing any buy opportunity. So price would actually fall from here. And is price reacting from this POI? This was that tiny week on the 5 minute time frame. So let's see. Okay, price almost came to this level. So no trade opportunity here. Did you guys see any opportunity? Did you guys sell from here?
Let's see.
The 1 minute looks confusing, but on 5 minutes and 3 minutes, everything happening is price delivery inside of see.
Maybe if I have a behavior here, I will sell.
Okay.
Or a rejection here, but I think that it could be risky.
Very nice. Now, you actually want to look deeply into M1 time frame, right? This structure point, M1 high, M1 low, which means all of these are going to be M1 SLQ.
Internal.
Yeah, internal M1 SLQ, which means this what price took out was M1 SLQ right here. Okay, I don't know if I would actually be doing this if I was on real life chat. That's refining and doing all of this. Maybe price would have left me. So with price react from this mitigation here, let's see. Okay, price did not price reacted from there. So price did not give us room for a price behavior. A price delivery. Sorry, price did not give us room for a price delivery. So we missed that. We would have taken it off from here, just like Nico marked. So let's see. Oh wow, insane. This would have been a quick 6-5 hour. Wow. So for this first sell, price already came to our partial level right here. Our partial level. Asian low target, right? Asian low was our target. So we missed taking this entry right here, but this was a fine entry. This was a really nice entry. So we missed this one right here. Then we just switched to 3 minute and 5 minute time frame. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we see price was reacting from this week right here. But this is still internal inside of the range. So I will not be trading this. This is a liquidity level. And we have another liquidity level that price would take out. So I'll not be taking this. Instead, I will just chill and wait for a re-entry for the sell. probably on the M1 time frame. Let's see. No opportunity for the sales. Oh, wow, that was too fast. I think I missed this sell right here. This was a nice sell. We had this structure right here. Price took out this SLQ, reacted from this week, gave us the rejection. So that was another sell opportunity. Target would be this low, right? Good. So target hits for this trade. So we took out first partial here. Then as price gets to this level, I'm going to take out the last partial. And then we'll just leave the remaining volume to run. So we missed out on a whole lot of opportunity, missed out on this and this second sell right here. So now, what should we be doing? 5-minute time frame. Trust me, if I'm taking these trades, 1 and 2, on this day, this was Tuesday, right? Trust me, I will be done trading. I will not be looking at the chart anymore. Good. So price
for
actually,
sure.
yeah. So price actually came to take out this low right here. Now, instead of the inducement, price took out SLQ, gave us a valid confirmation on 15 minutes, gave on 5 minutes, 3 minutes, plus M1 for sales, plus multiple re-entries, all to target this low. So price took out this low right here. I don't have anything to do with the market anymore. I've taken out partial. I'm just allowing runners to run to do whatever it wants to do. So I'm no longer interested in the chart for that day. So cases like this, I'll go on higher time frame to just look at what price is doing to know my next move. So on 15 minutes time frame, nothing interesting happening. 1 hour time frame, still nothing interesting happening. Just one price to do this right here. On 4 hours, hold on. On 4 hours, we would still have this high at liquidity, right? For price to come take out. So price might actually be going higher. Price might actually be going higher. We don't know where price is reacting from. So we're just going to sit this one out, and that day would be done for trading for this day, just early New York and nothing else. So let's just watch price and see if there's anything interesting. We have 5-minute EPA here. 5-minute EPA, a possible sell on M1 that will end up a loss. Ooh, we missed this again. Fake BOS, inducement, and this will be internal EPA instead. So this will be
I took this one.
Yeah, what did you say, Nico?
I took this one that day.
Okay.
Very good stuff.
Let's go to M1. Okay, so that was like 5-minute inducement. Oh, this was a nice sell. Candle closure. Nice. That was a nice sell. Let me see how it went. See, as price was doing all of this, price went up. It was having build up, liquidity build up right here. So as price was coming up, there's no point panicking because this build up, we know price is going to take them out. Let's watch on 5M. Let's watch on 5M for the rest of the day. So wow. Oh wow.
There was a sell. There was a sell entry somewhere here. It's on M15 anyway. M15. This inducement was taken, and then M15 gave a rejection CSP.
M15. Let's see.
This is where M15 low is. It was taken out, and then M15 took out the SLQ here and gave a rejection CSP.
I think that here is an inducement.
This one here? No, that's SLQ.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
This
SLQ.
right? Yeah, because this was the range high.
Yeah.
This was the range low. So
This is all internal.
So that was internal. Yeah. Okay. So let's see, at this point, runners was running. and I don't know. Let's stick to this. Then what is price going to do for the rest of the day? We don't know, but we're done with trading. So I'm splitting a buy. I'm splitting a buy, but oh, this stuff this guy talked about, the PD, that other type of PD. I can't even remember the name anymore.
He called it mutated price delivery.
Yeah.
Yes. If you go to M5, it happened for that short sell. Let me show you on M5.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So this that's one. Then this one here, that M5 ILP was taken. Then it appeared on M1. You see it on M1. It's much clearer on M1 anyway.
Okay. This is interesting.
Yeah, M1. You see it there.
Yeah, I think I'll backtest this. I'll test this out. Yeah, that's cool. I think that's what I was seeing on 50 minutes time frame. Maybe we would have taken the buy, would have taken this buy here.
Yes,
Buy
exactly. Yes, yes.
on 5 minutes. If was this a bearish candle, bullish candle? Okay, let's see. Now, reason why I'm not taking this buy, I don't know what liquidity level price took out. Like I don't know what price was reacting to. Although I know price wants to buy to a 4H high, right? But I don't
Yes.
know. I don't know. I don't know what price is reacting to. I don't know where it's going to buy from. Is it ready for a buy now? Does it want to buy now, or does it want to keep falling before buying? That I don't know. But on 3 minutes, this was a nice buy on 3 minute time frame. Yeah, so let's play it for the rest of the day and see what price it is. Let's play 10 minutes. Let's wait for Wednesday. Okay, I think this is almost like 2 hours. Okay, so we're just going to like just brush through the rest of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're not going to like go deeply into it because of time. Okay. So yeah, this was Tuesday, and for Wednesday, this was Wednesday Asian. Let's look at one that let me see the trades I took if they are in line with these ones. Okay. Then we'll end the session in like 10 minutes. So it's going to be like 2 hours long. Okay. It was 15 minutes time frame, right? Oh, that buy was actual. Wow, that's crazy. That buy, that mutated PD, right? That buy was actually a very good buy. And it actually went to take out that 4 hours high. Wow, that
Yeah.
high on forex.com broker, right? Went to take the high before the drop. So that sell there, wow. So I did not take any buy here. I did not take any buy here. Because you can remember all those days, I did not know where price was going to. I did not know what price was doing at all. But now,
Yeah.
after doing session, right now, I understand price action the more. Yeah, so after taking this swing low, price gave a mutated price delivery. And if you had an entry here, depend on you if you are well disciplined. But for me, if I took a buy here, probably stop loss around here on lower time frame, right? I would not be able to hold this trade to this high. If price reach this high, I'll partial. If price gets here, I'll partial. Maybe the only trade I'll be holding to reach this high will be 0.01. If there's anything like 0.00001 lot size, then, then this will be the one I'll be to run. But trust me, I don't joke with money on the table, okay? I take out partial really fast, like
Yeah.
because I have I have I've gotten to like I've had like situations where I'll take it. Let's say I'll take a buy here, stop loss here, and then I'll be targeting this high here as TP, and I want to be like a well disciplined trader, and I'll hold the buy, and buyer will come here and reverse back to BE. It can
Yeah.
run R without me taking a single dollar. That is not you being disciplined. Trust me.
That's great.
That's
Yeah, that's
great.
right.
Yeah, that's great. You being disciplined is you knowing psychological levels, you knowing levels that price can easily reject from. That's why I always advise to always take money. Do not leave money on the table. Yeah, that's why I always advise that. That's why I don't even have target like 20R. If you guys should notice, my fixed buy and sell tool are fixed at 10R, right? If price is
Yeah.
moving R, right, and 10R here, I take out partial. That is when I'll adjust. Like this trade here, this sell here, this was like 20R. But trust me, I took out 7R here. Then as price went further down, I took out another partial, took out partial until I was left with like the smallest lot size. And then this one reverse hit BE, so nothing to lose. Even this one too. I know where I partial from. Okay, it's not like this trade is running like 47R, this sell to 51R. I think this was Friday. This was Thursday. Yeah, this was Thursday or Friday. Yeah, this was Thursday price action. But this one I took partial here. This one I took partial here before the next day. The next day I came and see mad runners. So very advisable to like take out profit. With this 15 minutes mediated PD was a good reason for the buy. Trust me, a good reason for the buy. And then Wednesday I woke up, Asian high got taken out, price reacted from this. Okay, almost reacted from that, but did not reacted from that. I was looking for sales. I remember this day. This day was a nightmare. My alerts ranked here at this point. I was off the table. When the alerts ranked, I took out profit from, I think, the two sales. But then I marked out this low. I wanted price to take out this low before the buy. But price never did. And when price was out here, oh my God, I was like, what am I going to do? Should I keep looking for sales? I said, no, maybe price going for the high that you guys marked that day. I can remember. So I just like sit that one out and went to do other stuff. So this buy was actually a good buy and price took out the highs, right? So during New York was all buys. So if you keep looking at let's see 5 minutes and see if price will give us re-entry. I'll not go on 1 minute again. A lot of time. On 5 minutes, if we get possible re-entries. Oh, price was moving really violently. So no room for re-entry. No room for re-entry during New York. And this was a perfect buy right there. I saw it by mistake. I think on this day, my buyers were just fixed on sales because of this liquidity right here. But price had other plans. Price left the liquidity. Good. This is one major example now. Price normally goes to take out important liquidity. Now, we can't tell which of the liquidity is actually very important. But trust me, inducement liquidity is important. What price did here, when price was moving higher, this was liquidity buildup. This liquidity buildup was left for future transaction. Price had this. Price had this, right? Price can do this, take out this liquidity before going to take out this one. But because this was a very important liquidity, which is this high here, that high was from a 4K, right? It was a very important liquidity. That price had to take out this liquidity before dropping. In order for price to take out a liquidity, right, it's going to further build up liquidity, right? Price always have intention. As price is moving down this way to go take out this trend liquidity, it is building liquidity at the top. Either a liquidity build-up, that's the trend liquidity, or maybe an SLQ or ILQ. Price moves with intention. I know that for that Thursday, the sell took out this trendline liquidity here. Good. The sell took out this trendline liquidity. And as price was going to take out trendline liquidity, it was having this liquidity build-up, this liquidity build-up. And if we switch on that time, we are going to see maybe ILQ, SLQ, all of that. For price to take out one liquidity level, it's going to build up liquidity for other levels. That's how price moved. And for this day, I was only focusing on this without considering this high. For this high, I think I failed to accept that this high was liquidity that is going to get taken. yeah, I actually failed to accept this one. So price actually went to take out this one before coming to take out this side. And after price took this one here, I think he gave a good entries. I'm sure I sent this. I can't even remember. I think this was EPA on 5 minutes, fake BOS inducement. Then on M1, it gave EPA for this trade. Then we had good. Some losses now are considered valid losses, and some losses are considered silly losses. I think I explained this to somebody one time. This was Thursdays. I'm not using the replay too. Okay. Ooh, I could have just used the replay to it would have been easier. Okay, good. You guys are still here, right? Nico,
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
alrighty. I'm actually enjoying this session because I'm learning a lot too. Good. Good. Now, this was simply based on M1 EPA after 5-minute inducement, 5-minute EPA, 5-minute rejection, can do multiple conferences. And this was just like a few minutes after New York Open. Then we had this EPA candle closure. Now, this sell was a valid sell. This was a silly sell. On 5 minutes, we had fake BOS inducement, right? But because price was moving violently, right? I only took this first sell based on 5-minute EPA. 5-minute EPA got mitigated, right? Gave me a 1-minute rejection candle. I took this sell, loss, valid loss. But when price started going higher, it mitigated a PUI on 5 minutes. Right at that PUI, there was an unmitigated week right there. So as price was mitigating that, trust me, I knew this was fake POS and I saw this as inducement. This was inducement. So price could easily do this before dropping. I saw that happen, but I still went to take the loss. So that type of loss is actually a silly loss, or you call it a stupid loss. When you know price is going to do this, price is going to go against you, but you still take it. Okay. Then after price took out the inducement, price mitigated this. Candle closure, you can take this. But I had to wait for confirmation because I had 2 losses straight. So I had to wait for a good confirmation. Then I had fake POS, inducement, internal MSU, which is also price delivery for this sell on Thursday. Yeah. And then I was not expecting this sell to move the way it moved, right? So I already took partial, I already took like profit out from this. I think I already took like 80% of this, 80%, or I think 90% for one and one of them, 80%. Then Friday price action, I had no idea there was news around 8:15 UK time, right? For this sell, I had no idea. Because I remember somebody called me on Instagram. He asked to call me and I was like, okay, no problem. Then he called me around London. I was there to get out of bed. So he said, I'm doing just call me right before I get to my desk. So he called and then we had to do Zoom, right? We had to do Zoom. And then I saw what was happening here. There was a 1-minute double inducement happening here. I was about clicking the sell. If I had known that there was news, right? There was a news, but it was not for US. I think it was for euros or something. No, it was for GBP, I think.
It was for Euro.
It was for euros. Okay, cool.
Yes.
Yeah. So I had not checked because the day was still fresh. I had not because my daily routine. When I come on decks, I do check Forex Factory before I trade. But that Zoom distracted me, so I did not see this. I did not see the sell here. I did not see the sell. I think it was on 3-minute time frame or I can't remember the markup. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it was on M1. M1 structure. M1 structure right here. Fake BOS, inducement, double inducement. Okay,
I think that the price did a 3-minute inducement.
3-minute inducement, right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. True that.
Then we had here a behavior because I was sell here, but I take break even. I put
Okay.
my stop loss to break even after price take out this.
Wow, that would have been a crazy sell. Yeah, so this was what happened here. I think I was looking at that at this point. I wanted to click the sell button. Then I think I wanted to click the sell button, and then it's like his call came in, like, oh, he had to like send the link, I had to join. Immediately, I was like looking at the Zoom, and then Ayo Fiber just entered my room. I was like, guy, did you see the sell? Did you see the sell? I was like, what sell? And then I saw this. I was like, what a miss. But then I just had to like check the runners, and yeah, it was doing well. So this was a nice sell, very clean setup with confluence with London Open too. And then I think that was it for London or sells. And after this liquidity got taken, we had price delivery here. I don't know what liquidity level is this. I don't know what I marked. Let's look at that real quick. Real quick. Oh, EPA. That was EPA. Oh, you see, throughout this session, I did not even look at it daily because I'm sure from the daily, I was waiting for daily ILQ to get taken out. I remember after this high got taken out, I was waiting for this ILQ. Remember, when I have liquidity that is yet to be taken, I'm more confident because price will definitely go take out that liquidity. So I was literally waiting for the liquidity to get taken and for maybe this EPA before the buy. So I was literally waiting for this. So that was the daily setup right there. So after that, EPA should be on 4 hours or 1 hour. Yeah, this was EPA on 4 hours, still on 1 hour. And then price gave multiple opportunities for buy. Yeah, I'll come back to this cell. Yeah, so price gave fake BOS inducement for a buy here, but not last long. I think it was 2 losses I took here. I can't remember. Maybe I took this one here and this. Was it this one? I know I took 2 losses before these buys. Yeah, I think so. Trying to remember where. Well, okay, let's see these buys here. These buys are strictly M1, 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 fake BOS, inducement, through break of structure, MSU, POI, continuation, just on M1 time frame. Then if we're looking for entries, this will be EPA, this will be EPA, fake BOS, inducement, re-entry here. If you fail this to get this re-entry, mitigation of engulfing here. And then we still got this, this. Fake BOS, inducement, another entry here, through break of structure, price supposed to come for MSCPY, but took out this low instead. Then we had this re-entry, multiple re-entries on the M1 time frame, multiple re-entries right there. We still got this re-entry SLQ here. Okay, this one ended BE. I was like, when I take trades like this, I go BE really fast, but I don't know what price is going to do. Then we had this one. Then after this was also EPA rejection candle. Rejection candle, price delivery here for another buy right here. Then we had this right here, this. Price took out these 2 lows, okay? Could be in just a single inducement on 3 minutes per se. Then price continued going higher. Price continued going higher. But there are multiple opportunities to trade. Multiple. Price came to take out these lows here on 3 minutes. This was just one level. Gave 1 minute rejection, another sell up, another buy opportunity here. That was all for London. Then New York was just ranging. Then we got short sales. Yeah, these sales was typically based on, because I think from this period from 1 p.m. to like 3 p.m. I was away from the chart. I went to the mosque. And then I came back. I was like on my phone. I was just on 5 minute time frame. I saw this TLQ. This was the last low, first low, second low. And then I just had to like take this trade. Price took out this high right here, candle closure, and then price gave delivery, rejection candle for the sell. For this sales, I took partial here. Let me not lie. I took partial here. And yep, yep. I think that was it for Friday's price action. And now for the new week. For the new week, we are most likely going to see it through BOS. So this buy is actually going to hold. So for the new week, we are most likely going to see this high get taken out through break of structure. Price will not mitigate it. Or maybe price will want to go lower for mitigation or come to this EPA, this valid demand zone before we get the push up. But then we'll react to whatever price is going to say. Sorry, whatever price is going to do rather. Okay. So far, you guys have anything to add? How's the session?
Yeah, I have a question. It's
Oh.
concerning the M5 TLQ sell you took. I don't really understand the whole idea of taking the sell aside
Okay.
M5 TLQ.
Okay, cool. That was you listened to the voice note I sent to the group?
Yes, I did. I think, yeah, I did.
Okay, cool. So let me show you the idea why I took the sell. 15 minutes. You know we are heading, we might be heading for a buy, right? Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might be heading for a buy daily through break of structure. We'll still have a possible push down. So 15 minutes, we had this. You see this. So sell might still go down. Is one. Then on the 5 minutes itself, no mitigation right here. I only came on chart and I saw this low that got taken out right here. And then I tried to mark out external structure. This was a little bit confusing, but then I figured it out. This low, price literally did this, and then this.
Yeah.
Right here. So on 5 minute price, look at 1 and 2 levels right
And
here.
2, yeah.
Yeah, I remember TLQ is equivalent to like reversal, right? TLQ is
Okay.
for reversal. Yeah. So, and we just took out this liquidity, 15 minutes IDM, 15 minutes double IDM here. Then we had 5 minutes TLQ. So that's like a possible reversal. So that was the reason why after price took out this low, I just went on M1 and just looked for sell opportunity. There's no complex reason for the sell. Just that, just the TLQ plus the reversal and M1.
Okay, so you look for M1 entry inside this M5 week.
Yes.
Okay. Well, if you check M15, I think there was also TLQ here on M15.
Sorry, this M15.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. It's SLQ. It's SLQ.
Exactly. Just
Yeah,
this,
no problem.
this guy. So inducement, double inducement. Yep. And then there was also a POI marked. I don't know, I just marked it on my MT4 ball. I did not make use of it. Is this current price? Oof.
I took a buy here on Friday.
Okay. Hold on, let me
I
go on.
think price is coming from the H1's EPA, and then I used them for M15 as entry,
Okay.
something like this.
Oh, I get. I marked this sell somewhere. I just price reacted to that sell, but I did not take it. I can't remember where. But this forex.com, no wonder. Let me just take a peek at the under. You can figure it out. I know I marked this up, but I was not looking out to trade. Well, I think that's it. That is it. Yo, this should be the longest committee session I've had. Oh,
Yeah.
so in general, how was the session? You guys learned a lot, right? Because I actually did. Let me know, like I learned a lot. Most of my mistakes from last trade and last week, this week's price action and all of that. I learned a lot. Yeah, so we only back tested for Monday and Tuesday PA, and then we review Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays price action. That's cool. That's cool. Nico, you have any question, anything you'd like to add before we end the session?
No question back. No
Everything clear?
question. Everything clear, yeah. For
Right.
now.
All right. Yeah, Nico, I'm wishing you all the best in your phase 2 and congrats on passing phase 1. Okay.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
congrats, man.
Bro,
Thank you, guys.
don't be greedy, okay? Don't be greedy.
Yeah, of course.
Make sure you take out profits. Make sure you take out profits. Alrighty, this is cool. Yep. Yeah. So I'm going to calculate. Let's calculate the percentage gain for this. Let's just. So we had 1L, 2L, 3Ls, 3Ls, 1BE without taking profits. I think 2BE without taking profits. Yeah, 2BE without taking profits. We had 1 win, 2 win. This we took out partial, so 3 win, 4 win, 5 wins. 5 wins. So let's say if this is 8.6R because we had partial, let's say 5R. This was 5R. Yeah, 5R. This we took out partial from this. This was 4R, so 3Rs. This buy here was 9R, so we took out partial. So let's give it 6R. No, I am just like guessing the figures, okay? So this is like 15R. So we took out multiple partials. So let's say 10 Rs. So we have 10, 15, 20, 26, 29 Rs. Then we had 3 losses minus 3. If you are risking 1%, so we had 29% gain minus 3%. So we have 26% gain for Monday and Tuesday, because we've not like fully back tested for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We only made the review. So this was how we would have ended Monday and Tuesday, maybe 26%. If you're risking 1%, if you're risking 0.5%, maybe 13%. Exactly good. Exactly good. This is a very good percentage, maybe. So everything good? Everything okay, guys?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Thank you, Mark.
No problem, anytime.
Yeah, thanks.
I'll send this to the group now for those that were not able to attend. I think Antonio was present, Sumantu was present. Nice. Alrighty. You guys take care of yourself and have a great weekend, guys.
You too, man.
Bye.
Bye-bye.